Hi, if you have a second.
Yeah.
I didn't really understand your email from yesterday. You just sent me an email with an attachment to the job description for your position?
Oh yeah, I did send you that email. So in the meeting yesterday, you raised your voice at me, and I wanted to send you my job description so that you could highlight where on the job description it said that part of my job was allowing you to raise your voice at me.
Oh, um, I guess it was just in the heat of the moment. It was just a very tense meeting.
And I get that, but that should be the absolute last time that you ever raise your voice at me, especially in a meeting full of people. Don't do it one on one either, but really don't do it when we're in front of people. If there's something that you need to say, if you need to address me about something, that's okay. Let's have a conversation like adults, but don't ever raise your voice at me again.
I apologize. I'm very sorry for my behavior. I hope you can accept my apology.
Your apology is accepted. I'm mature enough to accept your apology as long as it doesn't happen again.